So I think Nimmy enjoyed that, didn't you know? So that was a pretty good success. I couldn't really talk much, but that's worked out quite well. Nim, come here. Come on, good girl. Stay here. Good way to take your dog for a walk, but I'm suitably happy with that. That's worked out really well. I'll go through when I'm back inside what actually happened, how we fixed it, and basically how, if this happens to you, what you should do to fix it. So let's head back. So she's flying, as you saw. The drone is back. It took a little bit longer than what we thought, but we are here. So the question that a couple of people asked me away from YouTube about what happened to the drone. I'll explain to you what happened. So, when I pulled the ribbon apart, as you saw in the first video, if you've come to this video first, I'll put a link above my head, because what I'm about to say will probably make no sense to you. So, when I replaced the gimbal ribbon in the drone, I took it from the shed here and I headed back over towards the house. And when I put the controller onto my phone and fired up the DJI 4 app, it asked me if I wanted to do a firmware update. And, you know, I sort of thought, well, first time I've used it, so like phones and so much technology these days, you have to just update it. So I pushed yes. I put my phone down, put the drone down, walked away, came back, and it said failed at 28%. And I was like, So I tried it again and failed again. Then I downloaded DJI Assistant onto my computer, tried to do, I guess, more of a heavy heavy firmware update from there on both the controller and the drone. The controller worked, but the drone would not. What happened there was I had the controller updated to the latest firmware, which is fine, but my drone was an older firmware, which is also normally no issue. But even though the controller was saying that it was at the correct firmware, when it failed at 28%, both the controller and the drone failed at 28% of their update, which meant that a portion of the flight control system on here, the board that you would have seen when I was pulling it apart, well, if we were to sort of, I guess, simplify it, a quarter of it, or a bit over a quarter of it updated and the rest didn't. So it couldn't talk to itself. So it basically turned around and said, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna not do anything, which is why it would sit there flashing and just say connecting. Now, I spoke to DJI and there is no way possible available to Ma and Pa Kettle, people like us out here, to reset that board or do anything with it. So I had to send the drone back to DJI. I asked them about the failing update and they said it is something that happens, although it shouldn't happen. I think what I saw online, there was a lot of different conversations happening around the drones and what you could do to fix it, what you can't do to fix it. People often talk about, oh, it takes ages to fix it, don't send it to DJI, do it yourself, blah, 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 whatever. Send it to DJI. That's all I can say, because I lost a couple of weeks fiddling with it myself, trying to get it to update. I got frustrated. Those 2 weeks that I wasted doing that, I basically could have had this drone back 2 weeks earlier. So what I would say is, if you don't have to, don't update firmware unless it's a necessity and you need to. If you are updating the firmware, don't do it through your mobile, like the DJI 4 app. Do it through the DJI Assistant, because it allows you to backdate in the firmware if you have to. If it fails, you can actually say, I don't want to do version 10.5.4. I want to do last year's release of 10.5.2, and you can just go back to that. So that's what I would basically suggest. So as you saw, I'm super excited. The drone's working really well now. Full transparency, the battery only charges to about 90%, or holds about 90%. So I get about 24 minutes, 23 minutes flight time out of it, which doesn't really bother me. I'm going to do a bit more with it. I want to learn more about the photo settings, the video settings. A couple of the shots I took were a little bit probably grainy. So if anyone has any suggestions on good camera settings for these, I'm going to do, the thing that I do. I'm going to jump on YouTube, which is why a lot of people, watch YouTube. It's why I make YouTube videos. Jump on YouTube, because there are people that have some pretty cool videos that I've seen so far on getting the perfect settings for the drone. This also has a set of ND filters on it, which I will try. I haven't done a lot with photography per se in different lighting, throughout my life. I've taken photos here and there. I do this stuff, but I've never really delved in the depths of color editing and color changing and color filters on cameras and drones and that sort of thing. So keep your eyes peeled. I really hope this video helps somebody. Again, all I will stress is that if you're going to do an update on the drone, if you can, do it on a computer with the DJI Assistant. It just will make your life so much easier, and you have less chance of the failure happening. If it does happen, take the DJI, they can fix it. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep your eyes open, because there will be another video coming soon. This right next to me here is the hot water pressure washer. I've almost wrapped up that project. Pressure gauge is on, a few other bits and pieces on. For some reason, I've changed over a fuel line on it for the diesel, and it keeps blowing holes in the side of the hose. I'm not quite sure why. It's a fuel injection hose, so it shouldn't blow. So maybe I've got a dodgy bit of fuel line. But that video will be up soon. I'll try and get that up by the weekend. I wanted to get something out to you guys. And then, like I said, jet ski and trailer, both those projects are happening. You guys can't see it because it's behind you. But yeah, get this hot wash going and keep making videos. Thanks everyone for watching. Appreciate the subscribers. Appreciate the comments. I hope everyone's staying safe and well. I'll catch you soon.